Your work depends on your laptop. Smartphone to stay connected with your family, your customers, and your friends. Productivity increases 100% on your tablet. Note down your daily work list. But sometimes, don't worry. While you wait repairs, you are all accessories. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Repair the most important thing. Same-day repairs. High-quality spare parts. Every repair is covered by a warranty. Working for 15 years, winning the hearts of people. 91 Golders Green Road, NW118EN. Nearest tube station, Golders Green, Northern Line.